Hey, I'm here at Chick Boss Cake. They have both a London and a St. Thomas location. They have the most delicious summer treats, and I'm gonna go taste test. Okay, I've got a lemonade and this delicious milkshake that also looks amazing too. Okay, this one is professionally done, but I had to get in on the action. Not bad. Let me try again. Sweet! Yes. Okay, this is actually soothing. Okay, just the finishing touches. Okay, I'm gonna eat the nice one. I tried to eat around it. Hey, that's delicious. So I clearly had too much fun, so I'm gonna take this to go. Comment below with your favorite cupcake flavor for a chance to win a $50 gift card to Chick Boss Cake.